guys! Huwag kami magsabi YouTube channel. And yan lang ako nakapag-video kasi sobrang busy. Simula kahapon and then ngayon, sobrang busy ko guys kasi naghahanda kami.
Today is Papa's birthday.
Yun, naghahanda kami para sa birthday ni aking honey pie, sugar pie, pampiam-piam. Ayan. Ayan ang birthday niya. Kahapon gumawa ako ng cake. So ngayon, ito-try kong gumawa ng dessert. Ayan. Kaya uwi ko lang, galing ako sa labas. Bumili ako kasi kulang yung ingredients ko. And then, para mamayang gabi, kasi magluluto ako ng spaghetti. Dapat bibili na lang kami sa labas kaso malalate daw siyang umuwi ngayong gabi kasi nga bumalik na siya sa trabaho guys. Bumalik na siya sa office. So, sobrang busy ko. Simula nung bumalik siya sa office, wala na akong katulong. Wala na ang tagaluto. So, ako na lahat. Ngayon, malalate na umuwi, kaya magluluto na lang ako ng dinner namin. Super nice guys. Sarap yung lasa niya. Love it. Do you like the taste of it?
Yeah.
So ito guys, kapag luto na ako, nailagay ko na doon sa mesa yung luto kong spaghetti. Medyo nagkulang nga ako sa sauce. Dami pala yung noodles, kaloka. Maliliit lang kasi yung hibla ng spaghetti na binili ko. So pag niluto pala siya guys, ang dami niya, promise. So may feeling ko nagkulang yung sauce. Ayan o, ang liit na mga hibla niya. Parang ano lang, parang pansit ganon. So, pero okay lang yung lasa. Okay naman yung lasa. And then, di ako nagluto ng chicken. Nag-order na lang kami ng, ano ba? Nag-order na lang kami ng Jollibee. Ayan. So, kakain kami guys. Wala yung may birthday. Kasi, nasa office pa siya. And why the light is like that? Can you tell me? Kasi nasa office pa siya guys. And may importante silang ginagawa. Kaya no choice. Akala niya makakauwi siya ng maaga. Tumawag na. So ayun. Kami lang yung kakain. And then mag-blow na lang siya mamaya ng cake. Dahil sa gumawa ko ng cake guys. So, candle na lang yung nabili ko. Yung binili ko pala. Yes, lalab. Ayan. Kame. Ayo. Ayan. Ayan. Ito. Nagluloko ni... Ate na yung pagkuyanta makulog yan. Hinihilam mo. Ayan. So, nagagalit na siya kasi busy ako. Hindi ko siya makarga. No, ate. Sasaro lang kamot ko.
No, I'm not doing anything.
Ayan. Is it bass? Pag naririnig na niya yung bass sa baba, ano siya, excited siya. Tignan mo, oh. Gusto niya dalhin namin siya doon sa may bintana. Gusto niya makita yung bass. Tagal lang kasi, oh, hindi niya yun sumakay sa bus, guys. Ay! Don't hit Mama's phone! My goodness. Are you hungry? I give you first, okay? I give you first. You like that noodles, right? You like spaghetti, right? Mama give you first spaghetti. Okay? You sit down first. Okay? Ayan. Nagugutom na yung baby ko, guys. Nagugutom na yung aking baby. Where? Yes. 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 Yummy, yummy. You use the spoon. You use the spoon. Guys, kasi wala kami pambiling.
This is my breath.
Wala kami pambiling gift.
The white balloon, Mama.
Kaya magde-decorate na lang kami.
Balloon.
Ate, kadakula na kain oh. This is so big. Sana di magputok.
No, it's just.
Okay. Wow, so big.
If you eat squid and then it means you can join Squid Game. If you don't eat squid, it means you cannot join Squid Game. I don't want to join Squid Game.
Yeah.
I don't eat squid. Squid Game is so scary. I don't like puke. I don't like dying.
Wow. Very nice, right? Nice, ah.
Yes. I think I mine's not blue. It will become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Diyan na siya, guys. Saan ko pinag-ola? Siyo, can you help me to off the fan?
Off the fan.
Give the kissy, Chan.
Papa, it's ready, it's ready, it's ready.
Happy birthday!
Papa!
Diyan na, hindi ka
Happy
hiling.
birthday!
Happy birthday! Siyo!
Happy birthday, Papa! We love you!
Papa!
Happy birthday, Papa! We love you!
Okay, you blow together. 1, 2,
3.
3. No, no.
Oh, yeah.
4. Means 40 years old. Yay.
Oh no, it's too
Oh,
dark.
no.
Thank you, thank you, thank
Yay.
you.
Happy birthday, Papa! I love you! Bye-bye.
Thank you for the food. I like the spaghetti, not so sweet. I like this is called what?
What is the daddy?
Flan cake.
This is flan cake.
I like the flan cake.
Not so
What's the flan
still not
cake?
so hard, a bit soft, but I like the
I like the food.
taste of the egg.
Yeah. I also like the
Okay.
taste
But
of
for
the
me,
egg.
it's a bit sweet
I
because
like the food.
for the kids they say nice because I like the less sweet one.
Yay!
This one I haven't tried.
Wow!
Oi,
What's talking ah?
I like Jollibee also.
Yum yum!
Chicken joy.
Chicken curry!
Overall, thank you to my family to prepare a surprise birthday party for me. Thank you.
And happy birthday, Papa!
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Don't forget to subscribe and
Like and
like
share.
and thumbs up,
And share.
and
And ring the
Comment.
comment and share our video to everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, Papa.
Yeah.
Thank you, Papa. And ring the notification bell.
Notification bell.
Notification bell.
Okay.
Oi.
Notification bell.